We are focused on Newton Raphson method. Okay, Newton Raphson method based problem in load flow analysis. Okay, very important question for GATE. Already this question is given in 2018. A 10 bus power system, number of total buses is 10, consists of 4 generator bus indexes as like this one and 6 load buses like this one. Okay, it means number of buses G1, G2, G3, G4, and here L1, L2, L3, L4, L5 and L6 are given like this one, that is 4 generator buses and 6 load buses are given. Now the generator bus G1 is considered as a slack bus. It means if this bus is considered as slack bus, what do you mean by slack bus? It means V and delta are specified. Clear or not? Slack bus means V or delta are specified. Now next line. The load bus L3 and L4 are voltage controlled buses. L3 and L4 are voltage controlled. Voltage control means V constant. If V is constant, it means that bus is turned into PV bus. I know that in PV bus voltage is always constant. So written here load bus, if you mention load bus L3, L4 are voltage control, that is V means V constant, that is V constant. Clear? V constant, it means you can say that so they are turned into PV bus. Clear or not? Okay, it means L3 and L4, that is PV bus. Clear or not? Clear? That is PV buses turned into PV bus. Okay, why? Because of V is constant. V constant means PV bus. Okay, now after that the generator G2, generator G2 cannot supply the required reactive power demand and hence it is operating its maximum reactive power limit. Okay, according to bus G2, requirement reactive power is like this one, but means what do you mean one? If a requirement 5 megawatt, but we have provided maximum limit corresponding to 4. Okay, it means Q is not fulfilled. If Q is not fulfilled for requirement, it means what about V? V is not constant. If V is not constant, it means that bus turn into PQ bus. Okay, generator bus turn into PQ bus. Clear or not? According to question, the generator bus G2 cannot supply the required reactive power demand. Suppose that 5 requirement, but and hence it is operating at its maximum reactive power limit. It is operating maximum reactive power. Suppose that is 4, or you can say Q2 max, but requirement corresponding to here, but we fulfill corresponding to here. It means voltage is not constant. Okay, if voltage is not constant, it means generator G2 bus converted into PQ bus. Okay, so it is written as so it cannot maintain voltage V constant here. Clear? So it is converted into PQ bus. It is converted into PQ bus. Why? Because of clear or not? Now after that, so what about remaining buses? It is already given PV bus. It is PV bus. Now what about this one? That is PQ bus. That is PQ, and that is PQ, and that is PQ bus. Clear or not? After that we have the number of non-linear equation required for solving the load flow problem using Newton Raphson method. Basically our motto, determine n. I know that. What about n? N is L plus m. Clear? First of all make it, after that we have focus. Our motto, we have focus on L. L means P specified. L means P specified. P specified. It means number of P specified, that is number of P specified. It means PV and PQ bus, both PV and PQ bus. Total number of PV and PQ bus. So total number of PV bus, total number of PV bus, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 4. Number of PQ bus, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is 5. So 4 plus 5, that is 9. And what about M? That is number of specified, so number of Q specified, number of Q specified, it means PQ bus. Okay, it means that is, what about Q? That is 5. So what about N? N is equal to L plus M. So 9 plus 5, that is 14. So 14 is the final answer. If question asking size object Copernic matrix, then n is to n means 14 is to 14. It is clear or not? First of all, again read the question. 10 buses, total number of buses is 10, consist of 4 generator buses are indicating like this one, and 6 load buses indexes like this one. Okay, the generator bus G1 is considered as a slack bus. G1 is considered as slack bus. Okay, if G1 is considered as a slack bus, it means that is V and delta are specified. Now next one, and load bus G3 and G4 are voltage controlled buses. V3, L3 and L4 are voltage control. Voltage control means V is constant. If V is constant, it means that is PV bus, because of V I in PV bus V is constant. That's why it means L3 L4 as PV bus. Clear or not? After that, the generator bus G2 cannot supply the required reactive power demand, and hence is operating its maximum reactive power limit. Maximum reactive power limit. It means Q2 is not constant, QG2 is not constant, reactive power is not constant. If reactive power is not constant, it means voltage not constant. It means PV bus is voltage is not constant, it means PV bus is converted into PQ bus. Okay, because V is constant. If V is constant, then you can say that PV bus, but V is not constant because of reactive power is not supply requirement as per requirement. Okay, that's why generator G2 converted into PQ bus. Okay, after that our motto, determine n, the number of non-linear equation required for solving load flow problem using Newton Raphson method in polar form. Clear or not? So our motto, determine n. And what about n? N is L plus m. So what about L? L is number of P specified, that is PV and PQ bus. PB and PQ bus. And what about Q? Q is the number of, what about M? M is specified corresponding to number of M is specified, and what about M? M is the number of Q specified value, means PV, PQ bus. Okay, now here, how many number of generator bus? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, that is the number of generator bus, or you can say PV bus, that is 4. And what about PQ bus? PQ bus 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is 5. Okay, put here 4 plus 5, that is 9, and here 5. So after solving, as we got 14. So non-linear, so number of non-linear equation, that is 14. If you asking Jacobian matrix, then we can say that that is 14 is to 14. But according to question, that is 14 is the right answer. Make it.